Hello, good morning to all the Form 4 students. So today we will learn speed time graph. Okay, area under the speed time graph is actually represent distance. Distance is area under the graph for speed time graph, okay? Not for distance time graph, okay? Alright. The speed time graph shows the speed of Mrs. Liu's car for the period of 36 minutes. Calculate the total distance. So just now I say the total distance for the graph is actually representing the area under the graph. So the total distance traveled by Mrs. Liu's car for the period 36 minutes. So what you need to do is you have to be very careful with the unit, okay? Axis here is kilometer per hour and here is minute. So when you calculate the distance, you must make sure minutes you have to convert to hour. Okay, so let's see how to do. And after that, you have to find the average speed. So I actually teach you the formula for average speed. Average speed. You want to find the area, you need to make sure the unit is uniform. So let's say you want to find the area for, this is called, we divide into three portions. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so for all the minutes, you have to convert to hour. So here, okay, your triangle, this is a height, this is a base. Okay, so triangle. So you draw a triangle. Okay, so this is 10 over 60. This one, the height is 72. Okay, so the area is A is 1 over 2 times 10 over 60 times 72. So you'll get the answer, I think, if you press your calculator, you get answer 6. This one is meant for A. Okay, settle. For B, your shape is trapezium. Okay, for B, your shape is trapezium. So that means I just draw for you. The shape is like this. Okay, erase. Okay, for B, we will see the shape like this. Okay, this is shape. So this is 20 minus 10, 10. So this one is 40, right? This one is 72. So our formula for trapezium is A. Who still can remember? Area for trapezium A equal to 1 over 2 A plus B H. What is A? A is the shorter one. This is the A. A is 40. This is the B, longer one. And this is a height. Okay, remember your height you have to divide by 60. So your area for the part, this part, I can write here, is for part B that we call as part B. This is A. So for part B is equal to 1 over 2 40 plus 72 times what? Times what? Times 10 over 60. Okay, so your answer is, you press the calculator, what you get? 40 plus 72 times 10 over 60 times half. So your answer is, it gives fraction. I don't want the expression. 28 over 3. So you got 6 got 28 over 3. So you got one more portion, okay, which is C, part C. Part C also trapezium. Okay, so we will use a trapezium formula again to find the part C. So for this one, we label as C. So our A is here, 40. It's your area. For C, okay, area for C is 1 over 2 times over 2, 40 plus 72 times 16. Right now? Wrong. Have to divide by 60. Okay. So your answer is 40 plus 72 times 16 divided by 60 times half. So your answer is, in fraction, 224 over 15. So your answer is, give and understand. Okay, now you see, I want to show you the proper way of doing. Just now very messy, now I write in order. Okay, that is the right way to do. Okay, so when you do, make sure you do organize your work. Make sure you write one sentence like this. Okay, So this is the answer for example. So for your homework today, I want you to write this divided by 60, convert to hour. It's 36 minutes. 36 minutes you convert to hour. So remember, the 36 minutes is equivalent to 36 over 60 hour, right? So that's why you need to divide. Okay, better? Understand? Okay, answer must be in kilometer per hour. Settle. Now we go to, okay, next I will explain to you the exercise that you need to do. Okay, for the speed time graph. So this one I want you to copy in your exercise book. So I have shown you the proper working. Okay, so please, okay, remember, copy this one in your exercise book. Okay, so the question is asking to find the distance. So distance is representing by the distance. Area distance is representing by the area under graph. So you just find the area under the graph. So for this one, maybe you can divide into certain area. Like this, you can use a trapezium. Okay, you use a trapezium. Okay, so this is a yellow color, and there's another trapezium, the blue color. Okay, so then you just use a trapezium formula. So this is 8. Okay, this one is 5. 10 minus 5. So this is 10. Okay, 10 plus 5, 8 plus 3 times 8. Then remember this is minute. Okay, you have to divide by 60, right? And then you plus the other one. This is 16. Okay, use yeah, this is 16. Okay, this is 8. So 8 plus 16. Then remember this one, the difference 18 minus 10 is 8. Have to over 60. Okay, then your answer is 2.6 kilometers. Okay, you copy this one in your exercise book, the speed time graph. Okay, this one very important. Please copy in your exercise book. Speed time graph. Okay, area under the speed time graph is the same as a distance traveled. Okay, distance traveled. Okay, for the speed time graph, the area under the graph is equal to distance traveled. Okay, I have highlighted twice for you. Okay, better. Now I want you to do a few exercise in your exercise book. So the exercise is here. Okay, before that, before you do the exercise, remember when they give you minutes, you have to convert to hour. Please remember this. 1 minute is 1 over 60 per hour. If 10 minutes, 10 over 60 per hour, okay? So, okay, so you can, this is a question that I discussed just now. I want you to copy in your exercise book, okay? Then this one is the example that I want you to copy also in your exercise book. So you learn how to do, okay? So you can draw the diagram nicely like this. So then you work out the working, okay, for the trapezium. Then you write your answer and convert to the unit accordingly, okay? Convert to the unit. So if this is second and second, so if you are safe, unit are the same. So make sure the unit is uniform, okay? Be careful with the unit. Okay, good. Now we go to the next one, which is this one. This is the exercise. Okay, the exercise actually is my example. So today you just do these 3 exercise. Actually, all the answer I discussed here. Okay, so you shouldn't have problem. Okay, if you don't understand, you can go through the video again, right? Okay, good. Now, today we just focus on these 3. Tomorrow we continue another one. So this is a easy one. This is question 8. It's easy. Okay, so you just divide into, you want to divide into 3 or you don't want to divide. You just assume that this is a trapezium, one trapezium. That means this is a A, and then this is a B, and this is a height. So our formula for trapezium is half A plus B times the height. Okay, remember area for trapezium is very useful for this topic. Okay, area for trapezium. the height must be perpendicular with the base. All right? Okay, understand? Oh, understand? Okay, good. Now, I think we have almost left a few seconds, so I just go through you. So to find the area, so the area for trapezium, we use a formula. Okay, like this. This is an example. A plus B times the height. Okay, this is height is A plus B, 6 kilometer. Okay, so you check the unit like this. Okay, this one 40, this one 80. 6 have to divide by 60. Why? Because the unit is actually hour. So you notice that you have to convert the minute into hour. Okay, the minute have to convert to hour. So the answer is 6 kilometers. Make sure the unit used in the speed is the same. Okay, this is very important as the unit for the time. Okay, all right, no problem. Good, can understand. Good, okay, good. So just copy the 3 diagram that I discussed. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, thank you, and then see you tomorrow. Bye. Enjoy your holidays and enjoy your study of doing.